Carmen from sewer.com. This is a little sewing project that is perfectly doable for a relatively new sewer. It has a little zipper in there, yes, but it's not difficult, I promise. So the finished wallet is about 8 to 4 inch. It has 6 little pockets for cards. It has a big one for banknotes or your phone if you want to put it there, and a zippered pocket for coins. The closure is with a snap button, and you can find that tutorial on the Madame So sewing blog, and there's the free downloadable pattern as well. So gather your fabrics, dive into your scrap box, and let's do this. First, you cut out all 6 pattern pieces out of your assorted fabrics. An interior piece, a pocket piece, an exterior piece that is the size of the interior piece and the pocket piece together, the cards, the business cards pocket piece, the largest one, and 2 small pieces for the zipper. And there's the zipper, and you cut and fuse interfacing or stabilizer to all pieces but that pocket piece, the large business pocket piece. And you also need a snap button. Take the 2 small zipper pieces and place them on each end of the zipper, right sides down. If you fold them open, the total length of the zipper should be like 8.5 inch, the same width as the other wallet pieces. Sew the squares on the zipper, press the 2 pieces open, and trim off excess fabric. Take the small pocket piece, put it on the zipper piece you just assembled, right sides facing, and sew a 1/4 inch seam. Press open and top stitch along the zipper. This is now the zipper pocket piece. Next, take the big pocket piece. You will need to mark where you're going to fold. You need marks for a double folded hem at the top edge, and then marks for the pockets. The back side of each pocket is 2 3/8 inch, and the front side is 2 inch. Repeat this 3 times. So 2 3/8 inch, 2 inch, 2 3/8 inch, 2 inch, 2 3/8 inch, 2 inch. Draw all the help lines and sew the double folded hem down and start folding. This is how you fold, like a fan. But you have to do it more accurately, so it takes some time. I'm using some glass head pins so I can iron over them when all is pinned down. Press the folds down and then find the middle point, draw a help line and top stitch that line. Also stay stitch on both edges at 1/4 inch to keep the pocket folds in place. Take the interior piece, place your business card pocket piece on top of this interior piece about 4 3/8 inch down from the top. Pin down and stay stitch along the left and right sides at 1/4 inch. Stitch through the pocket piece and the interior piece just beneath the 6 pockets. Take your zipper pocket piece and put it on the business cards pocket piece, right sides facing. Place the zipper edge about 8.5 inch from the top edge. Pin down and sew the zipper piece and business card pocket piece together along the zipper edge. The bottom edge of this piece should match with the bottom edge of your folded pocket piece when pressed open. Take your button and the exterior piece. Measure 3 inches from the bottom edge and find the center. Place the exterior piece and your interior piece together, right sides facing, and pin all the way around. Now stitch all the way around the edges at 1/2 inch and make sure to leave a turning hole in one of the straight edges, not at the top. Closing a curved line is more difficult than a straight seam. Now clip your corners and the round edges at the top. Now turn the wallet inside out, right side out, through the turning hole. Press and top stitch all the way around your wallet and use matching threads. Now attach the other button part. Find the center point at the top edge. Attach your snap here to all layers. Thanks for watching!